old miss, isn't it, eh? How does this make you feel? A little bit unhappy, I would think. It's very bad wear on that.
What's he doing?
Flying around that truck a bit.
Time to take the mains back. It's pretty tight, aren't they? Tighter than the other ones.
Oh, shut up, Fluffy.
Fluffy. Well, that's it. You've lost the timing for me now.
I don't care. I really don't care.
That's not the attitude.
It is.
Yeah.
No.
I can have that's what about it.
Oh,
There you go.
that's disgusting.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's terrible.
There's a sense of propriety.
There isn't any.
Oh, look, there's petrol
Oh
on there
my
now.
goodness
Oh, no,
gracious.
that's destroyed the mileage.
What mileage? That was destroyed the other day. Don't lose the push rod. All undone?
Yeah, I think so.
Now you can pull it apart.
Yeah, right. I bet it's glued too.
Of course it will be. Everything else has been glued on it.
Right.
How do you propose to do this?
Okay.
Gently.
That's its knock point.
Is it?
Well, that's what it's supposed to be there for.
As you can see, the dismantling is a highly technical process.
What about that? Is that a knock point? No. There's one here. Who missed that one?
Ah, there we go. That should make a considerable difference.
Another one here.
Any more? Any more, Mum?
It's definitely glued.
It is moving.
Yeah. But not as easy as it should be.
Oh, it's the gasket holding it.
What do you trying to say?
Time for a cup of tea. Destroyed the gasket.
Well, it's got no way of sending you grade because you're there already. Yes, you're moving.
Yeah, it's one end is, but the other end isn't.
There's no more down here.
Shouldn't be in the back of it. It's all in the front.
What's this one here do?
I can do that one.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yep.
What's it holding?
Something. Let's see how the back one. Bound to be. Tight?
Yeah.
It's all 33 degree today.
Yeah, it's about 50 in here.
Yeah, it's bloody warm.
Hang on, hang on.
What?
Found another one. There you go.
Fall apart now.
We hope.
Hey, Carl.
It's moving. Here you go. There we go. No, that looks a bit better.
Oops.
There we go.
Which side do you want to ride on? Tip it on that side.
Through. Come on.
Lay it on that side and pick it up or not. Ooh, little bits falling.
There we go.
Bearing just turned. Ooh, that doesn't look good. What's that in?
I got a know, but I don't think it's meant to be there. The bearings, that's a full bearing on that one, that's a half bearing, that's a full bearing.
Oh, where's the push rod out of there? You got that?
Yeah, it's down there. Okay, that's up. It's a shim. There you shims. Come on.
A bit of suction there, eh?
That doesn't look good.
Okay, see. Got
You
you.
want it?
There you come.
Good.
that's bloody that's scored. There it is, right on the corners here. What's that? Is that a crack?
No, it's a scratch.
That's a scratch, is it? Casting mark? It's alright, just looking at the thing I thought it
No, there's no bearings.
No.
They're full bearings, full round bearings.
Okay, alright.
Okay. Just look at this one.
That's not nice.
See all this?
Yeah.
That ain't good. This one's the same.
So it's the back one, isn't it?
No, the back one's a full bearing.
Full bearing again.
Okay. They're shit.
Yeah. What,
I wouldn't use them again. No way in the world I'd use that again.
No.
The crank's been ground and not cleaned.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's why we had swarf in the filter when we first changed it.
Yeah.
But that's all metal.
Yeah.
Yep.
Impregnated.
Yep. It's got scratch the. See them? See the scratch marks there? See them?
And of course, okay, now, to get all the other ones off, all these have got to come off. That key comes ways out, that comes off, that comes off, that comes off, that comes off, just to get to that bearing.
Okay.
But even